Hi, are you just out of school right now?
Do you need help in deciding your future course of action? That momentous decision of deciding on your career consists of three steps: to do engineering or any other course, where to do that course, what specialization to take up. So, you have decided to do engineering at Saranathan College of Engineering. Congratulations, you have successfully completed two of those three steps. To help you make the right choice on step 3, we at Saranathan traditionally conduct annually our Sara visit, which is an open day at the institution, facilitating you to go around the college and learn about the overall infrastructural facilities and strengths of the individual branches and courses on offer. The lockdown announced by the government to combat the pandemic has made it not possible for us to organize such a visit physically. However, in order to continue this tradition of providing you the necessary information, we have created our virtual Sara visit, which is an electronic audio-visual tour of the institution.
Saranathan College of Engineering was established in the year 1998 by Vidya Seva Ratnam, Guru Seva Mani, Auditor Shri K. Santanam.
It has now grown into an institution with 7 UG departments, 5 PG departments, 2,600 students, and 250 faculty members, 43 of them PhD holders.
The following slide will show you the faculty profile and qualifications in a glance.
We have received NBA accreditation for all the 6 eligible UG departments.
After the enviable NBA accreditation in the first attempt of all 6 eligible UG courses, the institution rightly decided to apply for NAC accreditation. We are very proud that NAC, after their peer group inspection visit, accredited us with an A+ grade. It is significant to note that they found it fit to specifically mention the in-house developed software to quantify and assess the outcome-based education system that is recommended by AICTE, as well as the various extension services provided for by the institution to round off the student development into socially conscious citizens.
The college is equipped with smart classrooms, conference halls, modern and spacious library with over 55,000 books and 100 technical print journals, an enviable digital library with access to journals like IEEE and ASME. Anna University recognized research centers, well-equipped laboratories, high-performance computing facilities, over 750 computer terminals with fiber optic linked network, 225 Mbps Wi-Fi enabled campus, all this and much more to provide the right environment for the students to learn and enrich their knowledge. We have 20 MOUs signed, 200 students deputed for in-plant training stroke internship, 123 industries tie-up, and 107 different recruiters as on date from inception. College helps in bringing out students' talent through various co-curricular and extracurricular activities, through sports, cultural, excellent hostel facilities, 25 bus routes, neat cafeteria.
Any choice of institution or branch to do your engineering undergraduate course should depend on the placement track record of the institution. Though other relevant points have been mentioned elsewhere, the institution track record on placement is presented for quick reference here. The following voiceless slideshow would provide further insights into the strengths of this organization. To help you make the choice on the branch to choose, let us look at what the future holds for an engineering graduate.
Post COVID-19, quite a few multinational manufacturing companies are planning to shift out of China and planning to set up their new manufacturing units in India or in Sri Lanka. One of the sectors that the government has identified for growth in order to achieve economic revival is defense production to meet our own needs as well as exports. Both the above factors would mean an increase in the demand for graduates of circuit engineering, that is ECE, EEE and ICE, as well as mechanical engineers. Another sector earmarked for growth is the infrastructure industry, namely construction of highways, houses and other infrastructural needs. This would increase the already existing shortage of qualified civil engineers. The current global reality is that for any activity, manufacturing or service, there is a 60 to 80% contribution of computerization. This percentage will only increase as new innovations and applications are developed in this computer field. Hence, a CSE or IT engineer will have innumerable opportunities.
In keeping with the institution mission to create employable engineers, keeping in mind the growing demand for computer science related branches, and taking note of industry professionals' future forecasts on prospective growth areas, we have applied for introduction of 2 new UG level courses. We meet all the required qualification criteria for such an addition, since the new 2 UG courses would meet the requirements of the industry in areas that they themselves have forecast as future growth areas. The prospects would be very good. Whichever branch you finally choose, our best wishes are with you. While we hope that your Ishta Devata was by your side, guiding you to that momentous decision. Remember the slogan, begin with Saranathan, become a winner. God will bless you to become that winner. Please take the time to see all departmental videos before you make up your mind on what branch you would like to graduate on.